Hello, good evening, everyone. Now, today we are here for the new lecture, and today we will discuss about how we can improve our English. Most of the student they have a problem in speaking. So आज हम जो बात करने जा रहे हैं कि काफ़ी सारे students को speaking में problem होती है. And now today I'll tell you the how you can improve your speaking. आप अपनी speaking को किस तरीके से improve कर सकते हैं आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा. The biggest problem is that they have the mentality. Firstly, they are thinking the things in a Hindi, then after that they are translating the things. This is the big problem of the many of the students in a starting. When I started my speaking, जब मैं अपनी अगर मैं बात करूँ तो जब मैंने स्पीकिंग में स्टार्ट की थी तो देन आई डिड द सेम मिस्टेक्स इन माय स्पीकिंग एंड आई वाज जस्ट ट्रांसलेटिंग द सेंटेंसेस देन आफ्टर आई वाज स्पीकिंग. तो जस्ट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द थिंग्स कि मैं आई विल शेयर यू माई एक्सपीरियंसेस विद यू. मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस को आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा कि हाउ आई इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश एंड नाउ आई एम अ टीचर ऑफ द स्पीकिंग एंड आई एम जस्ट टीचिंग मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दे हैव लर्न अ लॉट and now they are a good speaker, and very soon I'll upload some videos in that we will discussing the discussion videos I will upload on my channel. So now I'll tell you how you can improve it. Firstly, just stop the thinking in Hindi. Firstly, the many of the student they are just thinking in a Hindi, then after that they are translating the things. So just stop that things. Whatever you want to speak, firstly just make some small sentences. सबसे पहले आप छोटे छोटे sentences को बनाना start करिए. When you start the speaking, when you start the making the sentence, the small sentences, whatever you are doing since morning till night, just as you just wake up in the morning and you're just going to the bed, just you are retired to bed. So whatever you are doing, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, whatever you are just doing, just try to speak that things in English. आप उस चीज़ों को इंग्लिश में बोलना स्टार्ट करिए. This is the very helpful technique to every student who is just going to start the speaking. ये बहुत अच्छी और एक बहुत मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक like as a very important technique है, एक ऐसा तरीका है. By using that technique you can just improve your English. I did the same thing. मैं आपके साथ अपने पर्सनल एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दे आर जस्ट थिंकिंग कि आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ द यूपी बोर्ड so I cannot speak. I don't have a environment, I don't have a atmosphere of the speaking, cause of that I'm not speaking. जिसकी वजह से मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, ये सब चीज़ें हैं. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं, बट दिस इज़ द ओनली इल्यूजन. Seriously, I'm telling you, I'm just like as that background where is no environment, there is no atmosphere of speaking, and I started and I just created the atmosphere and just started speaking. Firstly, I just making the small sentences and after that I just started speaking. So you can do the same thing. आप भी यही सेम कर सकते हो. तो फर्स्टली वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक आप जो कुछ भी करते हो, आप सुबह उठते हैं, छोटे छोटे वर्क, छोटे छोटे काम. In my first video I told why English is important, why we are not going in other language like the German, French and Italian. Many of the languages is there, but we are not using that things. Why we are just emphasizing more and more to the student for the English speaking. Why the students come for the learning speaking English. There are lots of the courses, but firstly they are just focusing on the speaking English. Many of the students they are just going in any preparation wherever they are going. Suppose you are going to achieve the good position in any field, any sector, in a government, in a private, the English is very important. If you are a good speaker, so it's just really work for you, and it's really just groom your personality. Suppose you are speaking, you are just giving your interview in English, and easily you can communicate with any person, even you are in India, even you are in going in a foreign country, wherever you are going. So you can easily improve your skills and you can just adopt the things, you can easily understand the things, you can easily share your thoughts and opinions with everyone. But अगर आप हिंदी के स्पीकर हैं, you are a speaker and the Hindi speaker suppose, then what you will do, how you can just communicate with other person. So for the speaking, that is very important. Firstly, you should be a good speaker. आप एक अच्छे speaker होने चाहिए. Whatever the person is speaking in front of you, you should just listen it carefully, and whatever he is speaking, cause of the every person, I can say it, the person can easily understand the things. Even I am speaking in front of you, you can just you are watching my video, you can easily understand what I am saying. But if I am saying to you just speak like as me, so you cannot speak it. It takes some time. So just don't worry about it. Whatever I'm saying, I'm telling you the things, just follow that techniques, follow the things, then definitely after some days you are just, you will be a good speaker. It's my assurance to every student who is watching this video. So now, firstly, we have what we have to do. I'm uploading some lectures day by day after the some gaps cause of I am just a little bit busy in my daily life. I have to go to the courtrooms and many of the places I have a lot of the work, so I cannot upload the regular videos. But in a weekly and in a 15 days, the 20 days as I upload my videos for the lectures, there is some law lectures, there is some speaking lectures. So I just promise to my students ki definitely I will just provide my YouTube channel. I'll provide the whole course that is completely free for those students they want to just seriously learn English. Started. Firstly, if you have not watched my the videos present, I have explained how you can make the sentence in the present. If suppose the something is going on in front of you, the something is working continuously, it's working. How you can make the sentences? For that, I made the video, so you can go and you can watch that video. Suppose you have done something, immediately you have finished something. So how you can make that sentence? There is also the one video you can go and you can watch that video. So there is something specific videos over there, and you can just go and you can just easily watch it. I'll give you the some link on in the description, and there is an I button. You can just go through the I button, and at the end of the video you can watch that videos. I will provide the link. Okay, so now I'm telling you how you get started. Suppose you get up in the morning. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए आप मॉर्निंग में उठ रहे हो तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ. तो यू शुड नो दैट सेंटेंस कि मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, उठने को हम क्या कहते हैं, गेट अप कहते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट मेक द सिंपल सेंटेंस आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह को मॉर्निंग कहते हैं. यू कैन से सिंपली इजीली जस्ट आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग. द सेम एज आप उसके बाद क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. एज यू मच एज यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द थिंग्स, जितना ज़्यादा आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं दैट मच यू कैन जस्ट इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. जस्ट डोंट ट्राई टू जस्ट टेक द शॉर्टकट. जस्ट ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन योर सेल्फ व्हेन एज. अगर मैं यही चीज़ आपसे अगर हिंदी में कहूँ बोलने के लिए कि आप सुबह से लेकर शाम तक क्या करते हो, तो यू विल एक्सप्लेन द स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स. मैं ये करता हूँ, मैं मोबाइल चलाता हूँ, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ. हम जैसे अगर स्टार्टिंग से अगर सीक्वेंस में लेके जाए तो मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, फिर मैं मोबाइल चेक करता हूँ, मैं मोबाइल में मैसेज करता हूँ, मैं मैं फिर उसके बाद ब्रश करता हूँ, फिर मैं कुल्ला करता हूँ, फिर मैं रेडी होता हूँ, कपड़े प्रेस करता हूँ. ये बहुत सारे काम है. अगर नाउ we just try to speak that all the things in English, then how we can make these sentences? So simply we can just say speak like as मैं सुबह उठता हूँ. You can say just I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. You can say like this. मैं brush करता हूँ. I brush my teeth. Simply I say I can say I brush my teeth. The same you can say मैं मोबाइल चलाता हूँ. मोबाइल चलाना I told in my previous video mobile chalana, you know very well, all the students, you know mobile chalana, that is operate mobile. You can say I operate mobile. The same as you can say मैं मैसेज करता हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स को, तो आई सेंड द मैसेज टू माई फ्रेंड्स. आई सेंड द मैसेज टू माई फ्रेंड्स. यू कैन से लाइक दिस. फिर उसके बाद मैं अपने दोस्तों से चैट करता हूँ. दिस इज ऑल्सो द वर्क, दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो योर डेली लाइफ वर्क, डेली यू डू. यू कैन से मैं मैसेज करता हूँ. I do the message, I chat with my friends, I use Instagram, I use भी करते हैं या फिर नेट को हम सर्व करते हैं. तो यू कैन से आई सर्व द नेट. Many of the sentences is there, you can speak like this. So very soon I'll upload the my next lecture, next video, where I'll explain how you can make the sentences in the past. So there is some lectures. This is the only motivation video for the students. That by after watching this video, you will definitely just learn the many of the things. I'll provide some things in this video, like as if you want to improve your English, you can use some idioms like ये तो मेरे लिए बाएं हाथ का खेल है. Suppose after you are learning something and you have this good command in that, you can say the simply ये मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. You can say simply it's just a cake walk for me. कोई चीज़ आपके लिए बहुत टफ है, बहुत कठिन है, you can say for that it's hard nut to crack. ये बहुत टफ है, इट्स हार्ड नट टू क्रैक. कहते हैं ना लोहे के चने चबाने के बराबर है. यू कैन से इट्स हार्ड नट टू क्रैक. सेम एज यू कैन से लाइक कोई भी चीज़ है आपके लिए, अरे कहते हैं लातों की बहुत बातों से नहीं मानते हैं, आप कह सकते हो रॉड इज़ अ लॉजिक ऑफ फूल्स. यू कैन से. और आप कह सकते हो कि भाई जैसा कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, हमें कुछ सिचुएशन कंडीशन में जैसी जगह होती है हमें उसी के अकॉर्डिंग चीज़ों को हमें अडॉप्ट करना पड़ता है, उसी के हिसाब से हमें सारे काम करने पड़ते हैं. तो आप उसके लिए भी कह सकते हो जैसा देश वैसा भेष. तो फॉर दैट यू कैन से डू एज रोमन्स डू. वाइल इन रोम डू एज रोमन्स डू. आप इस तरीके से बोल सकते हो. सिंपली यू कैन से डू एज रोमन्स डू. Like this we can just make the sentences, we can just improve our speaking, we can easily improve our knowledge on all, and just Just try to speak, make the sentences, the simple sentences. As you started the making sentences, the simple sentences, then you can easily speak the English. Simply you can start speaking. So firstly, just stop thinking the things in Hindi. आप हिंदी में सोचना बंद करें and just don't try to translate the things. This is the big problem. Many of the interviews I have seen, and in a one show, there's the Kapil Sharma show, and the many of the shows I have seen, the many of the celebrities, they don't know how to speak English. So that they also that said the same thing. Okay, firstly we have a problem. The Indians, they have a problem. Firstly, they are just thinking the things in Hindi and the Punjabi and all, and after that they try to translate that things. So don't translate the things. You know the things. भाई, चाय को हम टी कहते हैं और पीने को हम टेक कहते हैं. तो मैं चाय पीता हूँ, सिंपली यू कैन से आई टेक टी. मैं नहाता हूँ, नहाने को बाथ कहते हैं. मैं नहाता हूँ तो आई कैन से आई टेक बाथ. There are lots of the sentences we can use it, and we can easily apply those things in our daily life. So guys, this is the short video, and I hope you have learned a lot the things, and I hope you are enjoying my videos, and you can just please comment, share, and share your experiences, share your thoughts with me in a comment section, and definitely I just read all the comments, and I try to reply all the comments to every student. So okay, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video. And if you are very new in on my channel, so just please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching my video.